Today's my crosswalk experience right now in South Federal Highway. Sorry about that. You guys can't see the sign really well. And Southeast 3rd Street. But it's good if this one will set the walk sign on in a minute. I don't know which one, but we're gonna hit this. Yep. That is the right button we need to press. Oh, wait. Because that thing is connected to that walk sign there. We have another one over there. It's different, so yeah. Wait for that, the other one to turn green. We have the other one get set. Okay. We're beeping, which means I don't know why it's beeping at me, but basically when you push the button, this thing goes. So basically when you push it, this thing lights up. Now we're gonna cross. And that's it though.